Chicago. A winter storm is expected to hit Chicago on Friday, but experts are unclear how much snow will fall on the city's residents. Whatever it is, it's already on the way. The approaching winter weather system is currently showering snow over the Rocky Mountains, dipping down into Colorado, and will soon gather up moisture from the Gulf Coast, which is what will really start to fuel it, according to Dr. Scott Collis, an atmospheric scientist at the Argonne National Laboratory. The system would rapidly intensify as it absorbs rain and moves near Chicago, making it difficult to anticipate its intensity, Collis added. Meteorologists refer to this event as a bomb cyclone, he explained. Welcome to Meteor Mind. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for further updates. The week's third significant storm, and perhaps the most powerful, is moving from Arkansas on Friday morning to near Chicago in the afternoon, and eventually northern Michigan on Saturday. The system is growing explosively, perhaps qualifying as a bomb cyclone. Because of the storm's quick development, its ramifications are expected to be severe, disrupting travel and causing damage. On the storm's cold side, winter storm and blizzard warnings stretched from eastern Nebraska to Michigan late Friday, with the National Weather Service predicting a life-threatening mix of heavy snow, high winds, and harsh cold. Forecasters in Iowa labeled the storm as rare, stating that anything of this scale occurs only once every 5 or 10 years. Severe thunderstorms are raging throughout the southeast, which was hit by destructive winds and tornadoes only days ago. The primary worries for the wet East Coast, like with the storm earlier this week, are heavy rain, high gusts, and the possibility of power outages and floods, which are expected Friday night into Saturday. Strong winds are expected to cause an ocean surge of several feet throughout the Maine and New Hampshire coasts on Saturday, culminating in the second wave of historically catastrophic coastal flooding this week. A big lake-effect snow event is forecast to follow the storm, accompanied by high winds and chilly air, particularly off Lake Erie. More than 70 million people are under winter weather advisories Friday, ranging from California to New York. Thousands of flights have been canceled or delayed, and tens of thousands of customers have been left without power in various states throughout the South and Midwest. On Friday, the southern suburbs of LaSalle, Kendall, Grundy, Will, and southern Cook counties were lowered from a winter storm, warning to a winter weather advisory due to lower projected snowfall totals. The National Weather Service, NWS, predicts that those regions will receive an additional 1 to 2 inches of snow, with the worst conditions along and north of Interstate 80. The gigantic storm hitting the eastern side of the United States is only one part of a very busy weather system. Multiple weather hazards are affecting the country Friday morning, prompting the National Weather Service to issue a weather alert for each state. Everything from blizzard advisories to tornado warnings were in force early Friday, as the massive storm moved across the eastern half of the United States. Wind advisories cover roughly 2,000 miles from Texas to New England, while flood warnings cover the mid-Atlantic to the northeast. As the bomb cyclone approaches Chicago, the one certainty is its unpredictability. Dr. Scott Collis pointed to its explosive potential, earning it the label bomb cyclone. With interruptions approaching, safety is critical. Keep indoors, stay well informed, and be safe. The bomb cyclone is going to create waves, and you don't want to miss out. Subscribe to Meteor Mind to receive real-time updates. Weather the storm with us. Subscribe here.